Hi everyone, welcome back. So, guys, if you remember, as part of the previous session, we have seen how exactly we can generate a HTML report. So, let us see how exactly we can generate an Allure reports. Okay, so in general, right, the Allure reports you do remember there is a certain command that you will be following as part of the Allure reports. The only thing is you need to specify the Allure directory. Okay, you need to specify the Allure directory, and after specifying the directory you need to serve the report so that the reports will be open. So the only thing that I am doing right now here is pytest, okay, hyphen hyphen allure dir, and the directory of this allure reports is gonna be the dot. I have allure reports. Okay, I have a defined this particular chunk. So let me try to run this particular page. Okay, of course the script is launching and the script is being executed. And once this is done, right, so as we all know that the reports, it's gonna generate a JSON files. Okay, the allure itself, it's gonna generate a complete JSON files itself, and the serve will be serving all the JSON files into, okay, the serve will be converting all the JSON files into the regular reports. Okay, so here it has a dot allure reports. And now, so the issue that I have done is, I gave it as a dot allure. So this is the issue. The directory is not there. It created the dot allure. So this is not the one that I want. I just, that's a syntax issue. Delete the whole chunk. So dot here, what I'm doing is dot slash allure. So I'm giving that existing allure reports a folder, go in it and generate the report into that existing folder itself. So it will be generating that particular report. So into this file itself, into the Allure reports directory, a complete JSON files will be generated. And on top of those JSONs, you need to convert it into, okay, you need to convert it into the reporting format. So here, what we need to do is PyTest. If you have a look at this document, Allure followed by serve space the reporting directory dot slash the reports are allure reports. I'm just asking it to serve that particular reports. Okay, allure serve. What happened? Why I'm not getting this? Just one second. Why I'm not getting this one? What is the issue that I have done? Let's see. Allure serve dot slash. It's correct only, right? Reports. Allure reports. That's the only chunk that I was dealing with. Okay, so that's a syntactical issue, guys. Now the report got generated. One test case got executed, and it's saying that this is the test that it got executed, and this is the body that you have a given, and this is the tear down. Each and every logic that it got a populated here. And now what I'm doing right now is, okay, so what exactly I'm doing right now is, just give me a second. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now here is, as part of your login page, which it does has a logic, so the username, uh, I'm just changing my username ID locator wantedly. Okay, I just changed my username locator wantedly. Or prior to that, what I'm doing right now is, instead of defining A, B, C, right, the random values, instead of defining those A, B, C as a random values, so let me try to get the valid credentials, which is the standard user. Okay, I'm just defining my secret sauce as a password, the valid details that I'm entering after waiting for certain amount of time. Okay, so after waiting for certain amount of time, self dot driver dot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is, I just wanna check out what I can do, the title or any kind of an assertions. Probably, rather than this particular title. Okay, so one second. Standard user, secret sauce. After login, we were looking at this side menu, inspect, and it has an ID. Okay, the side menu. Okay, self dot side menu is equal to, after 8 seconds, okay, I want to verify whether it is displayed or not. That's it. Self dot. Yes. So I just want to verify whether it is being displayed there or not. That's it, guys. So let us try to write this particular command. Yep. Ideally, we know that in order to check whether any object is being displayed or not, we do have a command which is displayed. So directly I was just putting this particular self dot side menu, and I was just checking is displayed. Okay, and I was just checking is displayed, whether that particular object is displayed or not. I was just doing a kind of an assertion within this particular piece of code. Okay, I haven't done anything beyond that, guys. Whatever the existing code is there, I just added that a piece of a code there. Okay, I just added that a piece of a code there. I think the is displayed syntax is, that I have kept is wrong. So it should be in the lowercase. Let me convert it. Okay, it should be in a lowercase. Let me try to convert this chunk. So here as is displayed. That's it, guys. So let me try to run this particular one. I was just terminating that particular report, and I am trying to execute this particular script. Allure directory not found. Okay, this is not the serve that we need to execute. We need to execute the report first, and upon executing the report, we are asking it to wait for that particular object, and then we need to perform that assertion as well. The 8 seconds it's being waiting, and after that it will be validating that assertions as well. Is displayed itself is the assertion that we have done. Okay, so let me try to run this reporting format. So this time it executed successfully. If you see the login, basically in the body and in the setup and in the teardown, everything got executed successfully. Now, what I am doing is, wantedly, I'm just changing my locator related to a username, and I wanna run my program once again to check basically. Definitely the locator is not a valid locator. So as and when the locator itself is not valid, it will fail in the login flow. It will not proceed further with respect to the login related chunk. Hence the complete script execution got a fail. And now, if you look at that particular failure report, how exactly it looks like, see here, it does has the details about the failure. No such a element exception has encountered. So this is the issue. This is the way how exactly you can look at the test scripts and how exactly we can add a detailed assertions in that particular chunk. Okay, and additionally, what I'm gonna do right now is let us surround our code with a try and as well as an except. So here inside the test basically, okay, inside the test whatever you have, this is the core logic, right? This core logic I'm surrounding with a try, this logic, and here for this try I'm giving except print error encountered followed by rise that exception. Whichever the exception that encounters, just rise it. That's what we are asking. And now, okay, and now let me try to run it again and check it out. The details there. That's it. As simple as it is. We just surround it with a try and as well as an except. Ideally, in Java, we do have a try catch, and here it's gonna be a try and as well as an expect. That's it. It's executing, it will be reporting that particular error, and then we are generating the report, the detailed execution summary, it will be displaying here. Okay, so this is the way how exactly you can use these Allure reports, guys. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next session. Bye bye.